Hi once again and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how easily you can use the new AI software to build millions of backlinks. I'm not talking about tens of backlinks or hundreds of backlinks. I mean thousands of backlinks, up to 1 million backlinks in just one campaign. In just one single campaign, you can build about 1 million backlinks. I'm going to show you how using the AI link building tool. This is a special tool built with AI that is connected with ChatGPT, Cloud, DeepSeek, and so on. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this software. So once you subscribe to a package with AI LinkBoost, you are going to receive a license. So with the license and your own dedicated web app page, so you don't have to worry about using Mac or Windows. It's a web app page and a software that you can use to start running your campaign and build thousands of backlinks. I'm going to show you how. So this is the interface of the software. So here, if you scroll up to the top, let me scroll up to the top and show you the page itself, how it looks like. So here's the page, the most advanced AI powered link insertion tool. So it says, say goodbye to manual link building. AI LinkBoost Pro uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence to automatically find relevant content, insert natural backlinks, and boost your SEO rankings, all on autopilot. Perfect for agencies, freelancers, and website owners who want real results. So that is how this is working. So this is the software. First of all, what you have to do is to make sure that you get your license. So without the license, most of the functions are not working. So previously there is no additional services, but now there is additional services, and I will show you what is in the additional services. It's also a link building strategies and link building options. But then first of all, you have to activate your license. Without the license, you cannot continue. So the license is being provided by AI LinkBoost team. So once you get your package, you are going to receive your license. It depends on the package that you subscribe. If you subscribe to the basic package or the advanced package. So after you get your license, the license include a list of domains which can be used for the link insertion, high quality domains. So here, what you have to do is to choose a file and select a folder that is in the email that you receive. There is a page in the email that you can access to download this file, and this file is what you are going to upload it here. But then before I show you how this is done, we move to settings. Inside the settings, here we have adjust tool parameters and review campaign data, and we have campaign data overview, keywords, and anchor text. So your keyword are going to be displayed here. So here we have keywords that have been targeted by explodingbrands.com. So the target domain or target URL can be seen at the top right here. So this is the target URL, explodingbrands.de, and currently the status is inactive. We cannot click start, we cannot click stop. It's not working. You can see that if I click on it, it's not working because it's not activated. And in the settings, let's scroll down. Here we have AI engine configuration. So this is where you choose your AI type for content analysis to be able to rank your campaign. You can see if I hover over, we cannot click on it because the license is not activated. So it says activate license to select AI engine. Even if you activate your license, you cannot start running the tool. You cannot start building backlinks without activating your AI engine. And with the AI engine here, we have ChatGPT, we have Cloud, we have DeepSeek, we have Gemini, and we have Grok. And let's scroll down to see something. We have the performance settings, worker threads. Here we can change it. You can see we can increase it or leave it like that. We have the request time out. We can also increase it or leave it like that. And here we have the enable index submission. So what happens is that once you start running your campaign, the links that are being built, most of the links are not getting indexed by Google. So what is the use of building backlinks if the backlinks cannot be found by Google? So what's happening is that these backlinks have to be indexed by Google. That means the tool is connected to Google and submit all these URL for instant indexing. So here we have to click on it and enable this button to make sure it's enabled so that the links can be indexed and also can be found by Google. And here we have general settings, enable proxy rotation. So since you are going to use this on your PC, it's better to use proxy. But then you don't have to subscribe to additional proxy and pay different money when you are using this tool. So what happens is that the tool and the proxy is embedded. We also have a proxy that is also attached to the tool. So you don't have to purchase extra VPN or extra proxy. All you have to do is just enable this button, and then the proxy is enabled. So your IP address is not going to be shown. And here is enable detail login. Here you leave it on and we can save the settings. Saved. Okay, so the next step to do is then we go back. Here we have our keyword data overview, the keywords and AI comment snippet. So let's go back to setup. So once we go back to setup, now we are going to upload this file that we receive. So this is our file. I uploaded the file, is loading. So this file contains 1.2 million backlinks. You can see that file uploaded 1,296,806 URLs. That is in this file that I just uploaded. So it depends on your package. Some packages are 300,000, some are 700,000, and this one is 1.2 million backlinks that are in this URL. So once it's attached, the next thing to do is I move on to activate my license. Activate. So now you can see license activated successfully. So this license can run 978,000, almost 1 million backlinks. Why? Because I ran it before. I tested this the license key, so that is why it deducted some of the backlinks that was already run. Okay, so now here we are. It's activated. So once it's activated, we can see the dashboard is open. That is after activating the license, the dashboard is open. So here we have the proxy rotation, we have Google indexing. It shows you the live statistics and the pending URLs that we submitted. Almost 1 million is pending now. And here it gives you the campaign target. The target domain is Exploring Brands DE, the DA is 19, the DR is 34. The traffic is 500 and the backlinks is 35,000. This is the current stat. That is what the tool is saying. But then we have to check it on other tools, you know. And here we have Google indexing status. This all will start showing once you start running your campaign. But then after activating the license, we can see we cannot start. If I click on start, it's not working. So let me scroll down to show something. Here we have the proxy is currently at 100% and top competitors. We have some of the top competitors for this keyword. And recent activities that we just carried out is showing us that license activated. We saved the settings and we've activated the license. Here we have live discovery, which will start showing once we start running our campaign. So now let's go to the top. If we click on start, it's not working. So what we have to do is we have to go to settings and activate. Now you can see we can use all of this. So now since we are going to use, let's use ChatGPT. We are going to use ChatGPT to start our link building campaign. Okay, so here it notes AI engine usage may incur API charges via AI LinkBoost based on your subscription plan. So that means you are not going to pay extra charges. All the API charges is going to be paid by AI LinkBoost. Select the AI engine for content analysis. So now what we do is, since we are going to run this back and this link building campaign using ChatGPT, so we click on ChatGPT and see connecting, verifying, and now it's connected so fast. Now we are connected to ChatGPT. So as soon as we are connected to ChatGPT, you can see we can start running our campaign once we are connected. So let's scroll to the top. Now let's go back to setup. Now it's active. Our license is active, and now we are going to start our campaign. But before then, let's check the additional services. The additional services is only for custom package. So now here we have directory listing, initializing. We have citations, we have guest posts, we have social links and authority links. So if there is a specific package, so once you have this package, that is where you are going to get all these kind of backlinks. For guest posts, for citation, directory listing backlinks, social links, and authority backlinks. But for purpose of this video, let's assume you are on a normal or basic license or basic package. So now we go back to run and monitor. So by the run and monitor, now we are going to click on start. So now our campaign is running. Look at how fast it is. So it's speed and building the backlinks with this speed. So that is how the campaign is running right now. Links built is counting. Success rate, we have 162%. The pending URLs, the processed ones, and the total ones. So the Google indexing is also trying to submit. So we have the success, the waiting, and the failed ones. So that is how it's working so fast. And we have the stats for the domain here. Now the proxy status. The proxy is going down. And if the proxy is not well, or if the proxy is not so strong, it will automatically switch to a different proxy. So it's working and checking the proxy continuously every seconds. Here we have our top competitors and link process over time. So that is how it's working. Now let's scroll down. Recent activity. Proxy rotated is showing us the recent activities. And live discovery feed is discovering the URLs that are ready for link insertion. And now let's go to the top. Let's take a look. Data. When we go to data, you can see how the data is moving. The data is showing us the URLs that are being scanned for link insertion. And we can go to logs. So this is the logs. The logs is showing us what is happening every second. So this is how you can use AI LinkBoost to create high quality backlinks automatically. You don't have to do nothing. The tool is going to find the URLs, and the tool is going to build your backlinks for you. So if you find this interesting, stop spending so much money on agencies and freelancers that are offering you link building services to rank your businesses. It's very easy now to use AI to set up your link building campaign and start ranking. All you have to do is subscribe to AI LinkBoost and select a package. Once you have your package, you are going to receive your setup. So once you get your setup, your license key, all you have to do is upload your URLs and select the type of AI that you want. If you want ChatGPT, Cloud, or DeepSeek, or whatever, after that, then you can start running your campaign. So that is it for now. If you find this video interesting, like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.